I'm Joe Mastriano, CPA, and after 30 years and thousands of successful tax cases, I have something alarming to tell you. Over 90% of our income tax returns are in jeopardy of being audited by the IRS. And when you're audited, the IRS routinely turns down your receipts, charging you with additional taxes. And most often, they'll review the year before and the year after. If self-employed, they'll often make you and your spouse prove all of your bank deposits. Any of them you can't prove was not income will be charged to you as income. And it gets worse. They'll charge you a huge amount of penalties and interest. Well, I can help you avoid an audit and getting into trouble with the IRS even if you haven't filed in many years and don't have all your receipts. You see, you must avoid an audit at all costs. My CPA firm has special rules that, when followed, no one has ever been audited. That's right, not even one person I know of. When the IRS processes returns, they look for ways to get more money from taxpayers. And when returns are assigned for audit, auditors continue to look for ways to charge us with more tax. Before I give you more technical details so you can see if your returns are done in a way to avoid an audit, I want to invite you to have us examine your return and show you what is best needed to get your deductions and avoid an audit. Please call us at 713-774-4467 so you can have the same benefits as our other clients. Okay, here is what I've discovered after many years of practice. Your best defense is to stay out of the largest pool of returns for audit by filing at a certain time. Match your information to what they have on file, and explain your circumstances so it's believable. And list explanations for questionable items based on what will discourage them from auditing your return. This is the real key. It can't be done on e-filed returns, yet it is extremely essential for avoiding an audit. So get rid of your national tax preparation company that e-files for you. Take a look at your prior year's returns. Did you have things like itemized deductions, a self-employed business, or any extra schedules? Do you see separate statements as part of the return, explaining things like how you have the receipts, that you understand the rules involved, that you have third-party documents, and that it was prudent to incur the expenses? You probably don't. It's time to get rid of tax companies that don't have explanations on your return. It's time to get rid of companies who don't do a lot of audit representation. We do a lot of audit representation year-round. You know, if I was an auditor looking to get money from taxpayers, I'd be confident that I would get it, plus a lot more from penalties and interest, from over 90% of the returns that I've examined. So don't be a victim of the IRS and overpaid e-file preparers who just put numbers in a tax package and clear the alerts. You are an audit waiting to happen. Let us get you the deductions you're entitled to while not increasing your risk of an audit. Call my CPA firm now at 713-774-4467 so you can have the same benefits as the rest of my clients. Thank you.